Okay, well, good morning and welcome back. It is now finally the day to paint. So I'm going to get stuck straight in. It is bright and early in the morning. Let me give you a quick shot outside. It's a beautiful day up here. First things first, I'm going to be unrolling the stuff on the floor. That'll keep the paint off the tiles, which I mopped yesterday. They've come up quite nicely. They could use a polish. I guess I'll have to rent a machine at some point, or use the car polisher, we'll see. So I'm just going to start over here, roll it out, tape up the edge probably, but maybe not, we'll see, but probably yes. And then I've got a little bit of masking to do on this door here, just for a little bit of plastic to come off. That's only a couple of seconds. And on this door too, just a sheet of plastic over the top of it, and then close it, and we'll be ready to go. Okay, there we go. I did time-lapse some of this, but I think I might have a lot of builder's bottom in there, so it will probably get lost on editing. But that's done. So next, I'm going to wrap this up as if it was a Christmas present. I'm going to put a curtain of plastic there, and then I'm going to wrap the door. But before I do the door, I'm going to bring the machine and the paint and everything. So then we should be more or less ready to go. So yeah, it's going pretty well. It's still early, so we've got a good day's work. Well, there's the painter. I'm going to have to go and get the tub of paint, fill this up with water, put some hot water in with the paint, mix it, plug everything together, line the door with plastic, and paint. For the painting, I'm going to put you guys in the plastic bag to start painting my iPhone. Okay, and there we go. It's all white. Just have to let it dry. It's not the best paint job I've ever done, I don't think. I completely forgot to mask up that light switch and almost forgot to mask up all of them, but then did at the last second. But I think it looks great. There's still a bit of mist, but I think it'll be perfect. I can leave it to dry a little bit, and then while it's still a bit sticky, take off all of the masking tape and stuff. But basically, yeah, excellent, excellent, excellent start. That was one of the most satisfying things I've done in ages. But I think you'll agree that the wood with the white looks absolutely superb. You know, the imperfections still on it. It still needs to be oiled once or twice probably, actually, because it's probably never been oiled before. But this room is really going to be amazing. It's so much bigger now that it's white and empty. So I'm going to do exactly the same thing, peel it off on the other beam, and then probably peel off the plugs and the light switch. The floor can probably stay for a little bit until it's drier than that. But yeah, no, this is amazing. Okay, well, let me do my hair. Welcome back. Another exciting day, and we're looking at doing some decoration in here. So I've just pushed the cupboard over there, we've cleaned up the floors. The first thing I'm going to do is hang the lamp that we bought for this room, because I think that's going to look great. And then we've got the little bits that go around the light switches and the plugs. And I've got the lights that go on this wall over here, plus maybe the mirror if I can do that on there without destroying the paint. The brackets can go back on there. So yeah, just lots and lots of little things, and if we get lucky, maybe the bed. So I'm just going to kick off. I'm going to go and get the lamp and see how exactly I'm going to fit it. So just had time for a quick aperitivo, the Saturday lunchtime one, and straight back. So now I'm going to go and get the bed, and I'm going to put the bed together because I really want to see what that looks like. Okay, ta-da, a bed. And actually, quite a nice bed. I think this is really coming together now. You know, the cupboard and then the bed. So we get the mirror and the things up there. The big question now is, does the bed stay here against this wall, or does the bed go where the cupboard is? And to answer that, I'm going to start fitting up this wall here and see just how far out we come with the sink and what that would mean to putting the bed there. Okay, well, I've just had Madame via video link and she said try it the other way around straight away. So the cupboard actually fits quite snugly here next to the door. And there is a little bit of a gap there to walk through, but with like the night tables there left and right. I'm still going to now put the mirror up, clean the mirror. If we have some, I think we have some mirror cleaning stuff. And get those little lamps on. We'll see how we go there. So there's the mirror. I didn't find any glass cleaner, so I just washed it down with a bit of water. But it makes the room look big. I think it looks fabulous there. I'm going to pop the lights on now, left and right. And I'm going to go and get the little bedside tables. This is going to be, look at, I mean, you wake up in the morning, sun's streaming through, you look out of the window, and that obviously a lot of mess over there, but that's basically your view. So you still need some imagination, but that's basically what it's going to look like. I need to get that wood done, but I'm not going to be able to do that while I'm here this time. But there's still a good gap. I'll obviously, as everyone suggested, round off this so that you don't bang into it and on the other side. But plenty of room through into the shower here, which still needs a lot of stuff doing. But everywhere else, this is a premium, I push that straight to the wall, premium bedroom. Really, I love it. It's surprisingly enough, it's almost exactly as I imagined it, which is rare. But I think this is great. I think this is going to be a wonderful room. I look forward to sleeping here. I don't know, might manage to get a night's sleep in tonight. Who knows? We'll see how far I get. But yeah, no, brilliant. Look at that. The lights look great. You've got the just brush your teeth and do your things here. And this mirror makes the room look that much larger. No, I'm really, really, really pleased with all of this. So next up, I'm going to go and get the two little night tables that were left here in the house, and I'm going to clean them. Okay, let me zoom out. So, please let me know what you think. I think we'll probably have a rug here. I'll give you a quick rundown. So the bed is from JYSK. I don't know if that exists around the world, but there's lots of them in Italy and quite a few in Germany and Austria. It wasn't particularly expensive. I think the bed frame was 200 and something, 210 euros. Mattress is our old mattress because we just got new mattresses for Innsbruck. The mirror is Maison du Monde. The lights I made myself. That's basically just a €3 wooden bracket with a wire run through it. The main light is IKEA, as are the bedside table lights. Pick up the theme of the grey and the wood. Bedside tables obviously were in the house, as was the cupboard. Sink and tap, just local builders merchants. And that's about it. So yeah, I think this looks amazing. And I can't wait to bring the rest of the family out here and see what my better half thinks of it. Well, there you go. A very busy day. There's still lots of things to do, like the window. There's a bit of overspray on this window pane here, but that should scrape off with a knife. It's finishing up the windows, painting the windows and the door. Finishing, you know, the little details, just the surrounds around the light switches and the plugs and things. So I'm going to keep going for a little while now, but I think that'll probably be it. This was the first sort of decoration video. I'm really pleased with this. This is something that I wouldn't, even if I say so myself, wouldn't be surprised to see in a glossy magazine or an in-flight. I don't think we've lost too much of the charm of Italy. Obviously, you know, there were those little beams across, but this is just a dust-free ceiling, and it makes the whole room look that much lighter and bigger, and it is still massively high. So no, this is fabulous. I'm really happy with this. Look forward to brushing my teeth here, looking out over the view, lying in bed, looking out over the view. It's yeah. So the next steps, obviously, I'm going to have to head back to Innsbruck now and go and work like everyone else. But hopefully I'll be back here for Halloween time, at which point I'll probably get on with the doors and the windows, making it all a bit more weatherproof and also nicer to look at. And then I should get onto the little terrace out here, tidy that up so that we can use it a little bit more, and probably get rid of this this staircase which is in the way. So yeah, those are the plans. But for now, I'm going to enjoy. I think I'm just going to sit here and look at this room for a little while now. So once again, and yet again, and yet again, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for all of your ideas that have helped us along the way to get to this point. And let me know what you think. Other than that, take care, and bye-bye for now.